TOVIA bar, and this is the TOVIA 5-inch chainsaw. And there are several things to do to prepare this. One of them is to mount the battery. And in the same way with the pruner, you find the latch on the saw and you find the slot right here that the latch slides into. And then you line up the latch and the slot. You turn it 45 degrees till it slides in easily, and then twist it. Don't force it in there, or you could break off the plastic tabs that hold the battery in, and then you won't be able to keep the battery in. Once the battery is in place, slide the plastic lock into place, and then the battery won't come off while you're using it. Now it's ready to activate, and so you push the power switch. The little LED light tells you when it's on. And now, by holding down the safety switch and pressing twice on the trigger, you activate the saw, and now it's ready to go. The next thing to do is to lubricate the blade before each use. And this is very important, especially to lubricate the groove in the bar so that the chain slides easily along the bar. And that is done with this bar and chain oil. I like to use this because it's heavier than just light lubricating oil, and it stays longer and lubricates the blade longer. This is some of the bar and chain oil, and I like to be very liberal in the use of oil because you can never oil it too much, but you can certainly oil it too little. And you just want to make sure to get enough oil on there so it's going to soak into the bar and lubricate that slot where the chain rides. Some places have you unscrew this and lubricate inside, but you don't need to do that because as the chain turns, it'll lubricate inside just fine. And now that there's a lot of oil on there, I've got an apron on because this is going to spray. If I did this outside, I wouldn't worry about the apron because just make sure that the chain is well lubricated, and then as you can see, the oil is now getting onto the chain and in the slot, and that will help preserve the life of your saw, the life of the chain, and the life of the bar, so you won't have to replace those. If you have a lot of excess, you can wipe off the excess before you use. And now we're ready to go out and saw.